Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the YouTube 2FA. So we will add accounts. Let's add the account password and the 2FA to Google Authenticator code. So this is the code. We put it to 2FA here. We can click a code, right? This is the code we need, but we only have the code that way. Then I will click start. So it goes to YouTube. It goes to login. We put the email. We put the password. Now we need the code. It's here, right? We get the code. See, it's here. I didn't do that. It automated. Then we logged in successfully. So yeah, and then the status will go towards to normal. So it's easy to upload a list of YouTube or Gmail accounts to JarveePro to manage with the automation to auto login, auto subscribe, auto like, just like the campaign shows here. See? Hope you like it. Bye.